If your gear ain't looking like this, then you ain't out here training hard enough. You hear me? I'm lying. Mine clipped up, almost failed. That's why they look like this. These Jones hit the ground, man.
Blaming that banana place. Hold the K with the banana straight, and if
Alright, let's hit some steel with the Hellpup. 7.62 by 39, 50 yards. Steel targets. Clear. P320, everybody's favorite pistol. But I had no trouble with this pistol. I don't know if it's because of the Custom Works FCU and the updated slide, but never went off for me, man. But after watching all them videos, I stopped carrying this bad boy. This became a nightstand gun, so I had to bring it out, let it do some work. She never disappoints. Sig P320, hit this rack right here. This is my G26 build. Started out as a P80 as well. Went and bought a Gen 3 OEM frame. All OEM internals. Except for the slide and barrel. ADP builder slide and barrel combo. And takedown level. Other than that, everything is OEM stock. Definitely a sweet shooter. Glock 26. Shooting tree, Glock 26, 12 yards. That shit hit me right in the head. Well, that's the last of my ammo. All right, until next time, y'all.
help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he getting put on the shelf. Yeah, get put in a pot, wrap him like a Christmas present. Franklin Grants injections, I'm forever gon' get it. I just did this show, had bitches showing me they melon. Pissy yellow diamonds on my wrist, no R. Kelly. My exes still jealous, cause they cannot be with me. You seen what happened to dude, don't